Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can add share buttons to your Wix.com website. So whether you wanted to add it to the product page and link to the home page, or if you wanted to link to the specific product page, I'll teach you how in this tutorial. So start by being on your website editor and then go over to elements here and add elements. Start by going down to social, and then you can see you have a share button section right here. That means you can choose one of these templates, so to speak, and add that to your website. So that means if people they want to share to X, or what is also known as Twitter, they can click here and it'll automatically give them the option to share. Or if you want to have a Facebook button only, you can also go down here and just add a share button here. But in this example, we're going to choose this one as I think that suits the website. So simply click on it, and now it's going to be added to your website. From here, you can drag it to where you want it to be. Let's say I want it to be right here. And then I can click manage share buttons here, and then I can rearrange them. Or if I don't want it to be able to share to LinkedIn, I can click here the three dots and click hide, and then it's not going to be shown down here. And the same with Pinterest, for example. And then you can have the share buttons that you want here. And that means when people click here, it's going to automatically give them the option to share to their Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, or simply copy the link so you can share to another website. With this function, it's not possible to add more sites, let's say Etsy, for example, but you can simply just copy the link this way. And furthermore, you can go in on the layout settings here, and you can make it vertical if you want, like this, and then you can, rearrange it over here to the side, which is very common for websites. And you can choose the spacing between the icons. It's really up to you to play around with. Furthermore, you can also go into settings, and you can choose where the location is that is being shared to. So if people share from this page, it can either link to the website as a whole, or it can link to the specific product page. So if you want to link it to the specific product page, you need to click current. Or if it's on the About Us page, it's going to link to that page that you're currently adding the social buttons to. And lastly, you can also choose the design. As you saw over here before when you added them, you had 3 different choices, so you can also add these. And yeah, like this one looks good, for example. Then you can just click here, click away, and now we have this over here. And that's how you can add some share buttons to Wix.com website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions, and I'll try my best to help you in the comment section. Thanks for watching.